Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by running the built-in disk cleanup tool to remove temporary files and thumbnails. This tool often frees between 1 and 10 GB quickly. Next, uninstall unused apps and browser extensions to reclaim large amounts of space. Look for programs that take 5 to 20 GB or more. Empty the recycle bin so deleted files are permanently removed from storage. Finally, reboot your computer to ensure the cleanup finishes, and space. Use File Explorer to search for files larger than 500 MB across your drives. Sort results by size and review what you can move or delete safely. Move large media files to external drives or cloud storage when they exceed 20 GB. Compress archived folders to reduce size by 50% to 80% depending on file types. Keep one local copy of essential files and back up less used data to free long-term space. Disable hibernation to remove the hyperfill. Sys file when you do not use Hibernate. That file can be several gigabytes depending on RAM size. Enable Storage Sense on Windows or scheduled cleanup on Mac OS for automated maintenance. Run a trusted third-party cleaner only when needed and after researching it carefully. For hard drives, run defragmentation monthly to improve layout and free space inefficiencies. For SSD, use trim and avoid manual defragmentation, which can cause wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.